how to speed up, optimize, or make Chrome run faster on Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your Chrome, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and then click on Cookies and Other Site Data, and then scroll down and you'll see Preload Pages. So click on that. So make sure Standard Preloading is turned on. So when this is turned on, Chrome preloads pages that you are likely to visit so that they load more quickly when you visit them. You can also click on Extended Preloading, so more pages are preloaded. So the next thing you can do is disable unwanted extensions. So click on these three dots and then click on Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. So go ahead and turn off or remove the extensions that you're not using. So another thing you can do is go to this site right here. So go ahead and right click and then click on App Settings. So make sure this Start App when you sign in is turned off. So the next thing you can do is use default Chrome. So click on this three dots and then go to Settings, click on Appearances, and then click on Reset to Default, and then restart your Chrome. So the next thing you can do is clear cache and data. So click on Control, Shift, and Delete. So make sure the time range is of all time, and make sure Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files is ticked on, and then click on Clear Data. So this is how to speed up, optimize, or make Chrome run faster on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.